It is one day before the holiday, but the so-called San Antonio Four already giving thanks in a big way. They have been declared innocent by the Texas Court of Criminal Appeals. They were convicted 20 years ago of sexually assaulting two little girls.
But then one of the alleged victims recanted her story. Same for the forensic testimony. Those and other factors convinced the court to exonerate these women. Christy Mayhew was at work today, but three of them spoke to Jesse Degollado about today's court ruling in which they were wrongly convicted.
I work at Toyota.
Elizabeth Ramirez, Cassandra Rivera, Ana Vasquez were among four women wrongly convicted based on what the Texas Court of Criminal Appeals called fantastical allegations.
They're absolutely right how fantastical this story was from the beginning.
I couldn't believe it. I was just like, why couldn't they see that from the beginning?
I mean, we were convicted just so easily for so many reasons that were unreal.
In 1997, despite believing their innocence would prevail, the four were quickly found guilty of sexually assaulting two little girls. Then in 2013, with one on parole, the others freed on bond to await a new trial, they still worried they'd be sent back to prison, being separated from their families yet again.
But today, it just gave us that fact that we're going to be able to live our lives now and be able to be with them without having to worry and without this being over our head.
They all think being gay worked against them in the 1990s, but now?
You know, we've advanced so much in that perspective, but there's also a lot further that we must go.
Being wrongly convicted, they are now eligible for compensation by the state.
We were not worried about the compensation. We're worried about the fact that we wanted to have our names cleared.
They believe that's possible now, thanks to their legal team and the support of their families.
Had it not been for everyone involved, we would have been swept under the rug.
We would not be here today.
We would not be here today.
Well, they say they're especially grateful to the Texas Innocence Project and the National Center for Racial Justice for, as one put it, changing their lives. Read the entire ruling by the Texas Court of Criminal Appeals. We have it posted on our website, ksat.com. In the newsroom, Jesse Degollado, KSAT 12 News.